Fred Flintstone and George Jetson are two of the most iconic characters from the Hanna-Barbera studios. While Fred lives in the Stone Age, wears animal pelts, and propels his prehistoric car with foot power, George lives in the year 2062, wears space-age style clothing, and drives a flying car. They do, however, share one special attribute. Neither has a visible neck. In fact, most of the early Hanna-Barbera characters did not have visible necks. That includes many animal characters, who, for some reason, while not wearing shirts, often had collars with ties, or at the very least, neckties. Why was that? Well, it was a conscious move by the Hanna-Barbera studios to save time and money. By covering up the neck, it allowed animators to break the characters into two parts, the head and the body. Doing so allowed the animators to focus on animating the characters' faces, which is the character's most expressive area. By having the heads and bodies separate, there was no need to redraw the body each time. Animators could instead match the new head with a pre-drawn body pose from a library of dozens of each character, making sure it fit the facial expressions. Not having to draw the bodies again saved the studio a ton of time, and as the old saying goes, time is money. So now you know. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a full video on how to draw Fred Flintstone and George Jetson and hundreds of other lessons.